Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Word 2010 and 2007 save their documents using a new file format that provides a smaller file size and better security than the format used in prior versions of Word. However, you should be aware of the file format issue if you'll be sharing your document collaboratively with others who need to use and edit the document with an older version of Word. Some features of Word 2010 through 2007 are not supported by older versions of Word. Also, if you save a Word 2010 through 2007 document using the new Word file format, it will not be able to be opened in previous versions of Word by default. Now, first off, there are now 4 different basic file types available in Word, starting with Word 2007. In previous versions, you had 2 basic file types. You can recognize what type of file that you're using by examining the file extension of the document, which we will examine momentarily. In versions of Word prior to 2007, you had the .doc files, which were the documents, and you had the .dot files, which were the document templates. Starting in Word 2007, then, you still have the basic distinction between the documents and the templates, but you now also have another distinction: whether or not the document or template can contain macros or code. This is simply noted by an additional letter in the file extensions used by the documents and templates in Word 2010 through 2007. So starting in Word 2007, you have the .docx file type. This is the default Word file format in Word 2007 and 2010. It's a basic Word document that does not contain macros or code. When you use the Save As dialog box to save your document, if the file type shows Word document, then you know that this is the file type that you will be using when you save the document. Now, in addition to this, you can also save a document using the .docm extension. This is a Word document that could potentially contain macros or code. This also applies to document templates. Therefore, a document template that does not have any macros or code uses the .docx file extension, and a document template that does allow for the execution of macros or code uses the .docm file format. Now, if you're creating a document in Word 2010 through 2007 that will need to be opened or edited on a machine that doesn't have Word 2010 through 2007, then you should simply use the old .doc file extension. This should be compatible with Word 97 through Word 2003. Now, as always, you can choose what type of file to save your document as by using the File Type drop-down in the Save As dialog box. So you could choose Word 97 through 2003 document. Let's also examine what happens when you open a document in Word 2010 through 2007 that was created in a previous version of Word. Now, in this case, Word opens the document in Compatibility Mode. You'll actually see the words Compatibility Mode shown in the title bar of the document if this is the case. Now, in Compatibility Mode, Word 2010 through 2007 disables any features that are not supported by the older versions of Word. That way, you can edit the document safely in Word 2010 through 2007 and save your changes in the original file format. This allows the creator or other editors using older versions of Word to use the document after you have made your changes. Now, in contrast to this, you can open documents created in older versions of Word and then save them into the new Word file format if you know that they will no longer need to be opened and edited in an older version of Word. Also, if you're interested, Microsoft has a backwards compatible file converter that you can download from their website that allows your version of Microsoft Office 2000, XP, or 2003 to open and edit the new Word 2010 through 2007 files.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.